finished with a new video. In this video I am going to show you that how to make this pretty colorful Akash candle or say lantern. So let's launch into the video. And first of all, happy Diwali to you all in advance. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Here you can make hexagon or octagon or any shape you want. So you have to just deduct two sides in that of different designs. So here I am making a frame out of a cardboard. So the measurements for the bigger side is 20 cm height and 12 cm width. So this is the frame. Frame broadness should be 1.5 cm. And for the smaller frame you need again 20 cm height and 9 cm width. The measurements will be down in the description. So now to make it so smooth, use a sandpaper. Now here are different colorful strips of fluorescent sheet. You can use any sheet. I am making the lantern of rainbow color, red, and arrange it like this. In the center the red one, at the sides the other colors. It should be at an angle, I mean slanting in position. Add it very nicely using Fevicol. And remember, these design you have to make on the bigger one only. And then cut out the extra part using a scissor. Make 4 for the octagon shape and 3 for the hexagon. Now for the smaller one, paint it black, then add glue. Now take the thin strips and arrange it like this, diagonally. Cut it. Now add the same pattern in the other side to make this pattern like a net. Now stick the part alternatively, different designs, the two designs, using a masking tape and super glue, and stick it very properly. I'm making a hexagon shape. You can make octagon or hexagon as I told you before. Arrange it very properly like this and let it dry. Now take different colorful threads and tie a knot with the colored paper. These many, all that colored only, and tie a knot like this. Then make the braids in the threads. I have taken 7 or 6 threads and tie them like this. You can use a simple thread too, or you can buy that design from the market, but I wanted to make it like this, so I am making these many. Make them 6 for hexagon, and now cut it. And then stick them at the bottom of that lantern of equal length. Using that same masking tape and that super glue or any glue you want, take a thread or a wool and take long that. You need 3 strands big and tie that like this on the alternative sides. And tie the knot very nicely on the top and make it of equal length. This part is totally optional. If you want to paint the inside part, so you can paint, and like I am painting it with black. Make sure it doesn't come on the paper part. So yeah, it's ready. Add the lights and decorate it in your house for Diwali celebration. See how pretty and colorful it looks. So I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.